Godi to all employer. I'm Christine E. Dayday, 37 years old, married, and I have 5 kids. I'm ex-abroad in Saudi Arabia. I served my employer 2 years and 6 months, and I finished my contract. I'm experienced household chores, washing laundry, simple cooking, and also taking care of children and toddlers. I would like to work in Hong Kong so I can earn money for my family needs of the future of my children. To my future employer, please hire me, for I'm caring, kind, loyal, and hardworking person. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. Looking forward to work with you soon. Thank you.